bro.
Hey, if you made it to the end of the video, drop me a comment below to let me know you made it. There's still a missing part to this project, and it took me a long time. It took me a solid hour to hour and 15 minutes, and I recorded most of it, 90% of it. Very tedious, very slow work. I'm gonna put it out on Patreon. Like I said, it is very slow and tedious. I'll probably speed it up to 20 to 50 times speed, just so you guys don't fall asleep. Check out Patreon for that video. It was also the most risky part of the entire job. There is a solution if I did mess it up, and I'll let you know what that is in the Patreon only video. Truck t-shirts, get them while they last. 3 days, that's it. They're gone in 3 days, gone forever. Retiring the truck. I've got a new design I've been working on, and that'll be live maybe next week after that. Lots of projects in the works, lots of videos, working every single day in preparation for a certain event this fall. Talk more about that on the business channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.